Welcome to Big Stack Small Workshop. I want you to imagine for a moment if you could take a small portion of your backyard or patio and turn it into a fruit and vegetable garden you can enjoy all season long. Today we're going outdoors as I show you my 3 ingredients I use in raised bed gardens. Now I bet you're wondering, why is he taking all the soil out? It's still good soil. Truth be told, these were old strawberry plants I wanted to get rid of. I would have kept the soil, but one of my dogs got in here and decided to take a number 2 inside the flower bed. I'm not taking any chances. That soil has to go. What we're gonna do now is start fresh. I'm gonna mix in some cultured soil from one of my other beds, and I'm gonna throw some compost in there and vermiculite. See, just like any other ecosystem out there, your garden is its own little ecosystem. In its soil, there are all kinds of little microorganisms and bacteria and fungi that are symbiont with each other and create an environment where it gets rid of bad bacteria, bad fungi. When you put the soil from one existing garden into your own, it brings all those microorganisms and beneficial fungi and bacteria into your garden as well. The most common of store-bought composts is composted cow manure. It's fairly inexpensive and works great. Good cow manure should be light and fluffy or dark and rich. You don't want to see a lot of sticks and hard chunks in it. I've already added garden soil, but if you don't have enough, throw in some topsoil as well. Good topsoil is dark, rich, and very evenly textured. Again, no sticks or chunks in it. Now, I'm not sure if you've heard about vermiculite before or not. Vermiculite is perfect for your raised bed garden. What vermiculite does, it soaks up all that moisture as you're watering your plants and then allows the roots to slowly pull that moisture out of it. What that means is during the hot, dry conditions, the moisture stays in your raised bed and allows it to feed those roots continuously throughout the day. Maybe only like 10 or 15% of your raised bed's garden mixture needs to be vermiculite. You need to vary the compost sources in your garden, so I'm also adding mushroom compost. If you own horses or have a friend who does, horse manure compost is great. Like cow manure, horse manure should either be light and fluffy or dark and rich. Always, always, always let fresh manure sit for a couple of months, or the high nitrogen content could burn off your plants. Let's plant some strawberries now. I'll set them in place first to make sure they're at least 12 inches apart. Tease the roots with your hand and pull off any flowers or runners you find. You want to plant strawberries well above the soil line. Remember, in my small workshop, Big Stacks grows, Big Stacks builds, and Big Stacks makes. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button. Subscribe to get more of my content in your newsfeed, and I'll see you next time at Big Stack Small Workshop.